Graduated cylinders. Graduated cylinders are used to measure the volume of a liquid. Measuring liquids in graduated cylinders can be tricky because the liquid surface is curved. Because the meniscus has emptiness in the middle, we don't measure the sides of the meniscus. We only measure the bottom of the meniscus. The sides are curved because of the property called adhesion. This curved surface is called the meniscus. A meniscus forms because the liquid molecules are more strongly attracted to the container than to each other. That is the property of adhesion. We are going to highlight. So graduated cylinders measure liquid volume. The curved surface is called the meniscus. We are going to measure the volume of the graduated cylinder by looking eye level at the bottom of the meniscus. So let's go ahead and do that. Thank you. All graduated cylinders have different scales. So you're going to measure the amount of liquid in the graduated cylinder. Record the measurements below. Remember to include the unit ml in your answer. We're looking at this graduated cylinder. I see the numbers progress. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each line gradually goes up in units of tens. So we're counting by tenths. When we count by tenths, we recognize that this goes up 4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. The answer is 4 and 5/10 milliliters. Let's look at the second example. The second example, it's gradually going up from 10 to 20, and each of these increments we're counting by ones. When you're counting by ones, each one of these lines is going to gradually increase by 1, 10, 11, and 12. 12 and 0/10 milliliters. The next example, we start at 60, we go to 80. So we know it's gradually increasing. There's 20 in between, so each one of these is counting by twos. So this is 80. The next line is 82 milliliters. The next example, we're going from 25 to 50, and there's 5 in between. So we know in this example, we're counting by fives. You're counting by 5, so 100, 105, 110. I do go fast when I'm going over this. However, you were supposed to have done this before you watched the video. This is 100 and 200. We're going up by units of 100, so each line is gradually increasing by 10. 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 330. 330 milliliters. We're going to be increasing from 0 to 5 to 10. Each one of these is gradually going up by a unit of 1, counting by ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bottom of the meniscus, we read this as 11 milliliters. This graduated cylinder goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to be counting by units of tenths. So this is 3.5 milliliters. The next one, we're going up by units of 1, 0 to 10. This is 43 milliliters. Notice how every number, I always put the tenths position there. The next unit is units of tenths. This is 4 and 8/10 milliliters because we're counting by a tenth. And the last one, this is going from 100 to 200. So from here, that's 50. So I'm going to infer that each line is 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 and 0/10 milliliters. Thank you.